Hi, I am George and today I'm gonna plant some seeds that I don't know the name, and a few days ago I made an unboxing video and I showed you the papaya seeds, and that's it that I don't know the name, but anyway I will plant them. And interesting, what will grow, if will grow something, I don't know, will grow or not. I will do experiment, I don't know that seed, I don't know how to germinate them, and that's why. But I use paper towel method and plant in the soil this seeds, and also I put in water for 2 days. And I will see the method, but I am not sure if it will germinate or not. Maybe for this seed need stratification process, and I will enjoy so much if it will germinate. So let's plant these seeds. So now let's start planting these seeds, and these seeds I will plant in the paper towel, on the paper towel there, and this I plant in this glass water for 2 days, then I plant them in the soil, and this I will plant in the soil directly now. So let's start with this paper towel. I put them in water. Now let's put them in paper towel. I need to spray the paper. Now after that I put these seeds inside, and we'll see will germinate or not, and then cover this. Done. Now I will put this soil into the pot. It will be fine if I put some drainage on the bottom of the pot, some gravel, but I don't have gravel now, and that's why putting soil. Now after I put the soil, I need to water it easily, and after that I put the seeds on it, and let's water. So I put this water there back. I water it and out, and now I have to plant the seeds above, and let's do that. Now let's plant. Easily press a little, and so in the middle one. I finished planting the seeds. Now I have to pressure some soil above, and well done. Now all we need to do is put a label there, and I did write it now, and I planted on 5 March 2018, and just put there. And now we have to put a Ziploc bag to have a greenhouse effect and not to dry this soil. And I hope will germinate and will be wonderful. We'll see what will grow, if will grow something. And this I will plant after 2 days. I put 4 seeds there, and we'll see will germinate something or not. So I hope it germinate that seed, and if yes, I will be very happy, and it will be more easily to find the name of plant, and that's way. So thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If something will germinate, I will post a video update. So greetings from Moldova and have an amazing day. like this video, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want. So bye.